Today we are learning how to round numbers. We are going to cover 2 skills: rounding to decimal places and rounding to significant figures. The idea is simple. Choose where you are rounding, draw a line after that place, look at the next digit, then decide what happens. Here is the main rounding rule. If the next digit is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, the digit you are keeping stays the same. We call that stay. If the next digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, the digit you are keeping goes up by 1. We call that +1. So the rule is 0 to 4, stay. 5 to 9, +1. That is the whole game. The key is knowing which digit to look at. Let's start with rounding to 1 decimal place. Look at 4.67. 1 decimal place means we keep 1 digit after the decimal point, so we keep the 6. The partition line goes after the 6. Everything to the right of the line is being discarded. Now look at the first discarded digit. That digit is 7. 7 is 5 or more, so the 6 goes up by 1. 6 becomes 7, so 4.67 rounded to 1 decimal place is 4.7. Now round 3.146 to 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places means we keep 2 digits after the decimal point. So we keep the 1 and the 4. The partition line goes after the 4. Now look at the next digit. The next digit is 6. 6 is 5 or more, so the 4 goes up by 1. 4 becomes 5. The digits to the right are discarded, so 3.14, 6 rounded to 2 decimal places is 3.15. Now round 8.3726 to 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places means we keep 3 digits after the decimal point, so we keep 3, 7, and 2. The partition line goes after the 2. Now look at the next digit. The next digit is 6. 6 is 5 or more, so the 2 goes up by 1. 2 becomes 3. Everything after the partition line is discarded, so 8.37264 rounded to 3 decimal places is 8.373. Now round 12.34567 to 4 decimal places. 4 decimal places means we keep 4 digits after the decimal point. So we keep 3, 4, 5, and 6. The partition line goes after the 6. Now look at the next digit. The next digit is 7. 7 is 5 or more, so the 6 goes up by 1. 6 becomes 7. Everything after the line is discarded, so 12.34567 rounded to 4 decimal places is 12.3457. Now we switch to significant figures. This is where students often get mixed up, so listen carefully. For significant figures, you start counting from the first non-zero digit. That means you skip any zeros at the start of the number. They are still part of the number, but they are not the first significant figure. 1 significant figure means look at the first non-zero digit. 2 significant figures means look at the second non-zero digit. 3 significant figures means look at the third non-zero digit. 4 significant figures means look at the fourth non-zero digit. Then, just like before, look at the next digit after the partition line. 0 to 4 means stay. 5 to 9 means +1. Let's round 0.000456 to 1 significant figure. First, ignore the zeros at the start. The first non-zero digit is 4. So for 1 significant figure, we keep the 4. The partition line goes after the 4. Now look at the next digit. The next digit is 5. 5 is 5 or more, so the 4 goes up by 1. 4 becomes 5. The digits to the right are replaced with zeros where needed, so 0.00456 rounded to 1 significant figure is 0.005. Now round 0.892 to 2 significant figures. Start counting from the first non-zero digit. The first significant digit is 8. The second significant digit is 9. so we keep the 8 and the 9. The partition line goes after the 9. Now look at the next digit. The next digit is 2. 2 is less than 5, so the 9 stays the same. The digit on the right is removed, so 0.892 rounded to two significant figures is 0.89. Now round 95,400 to two significant figures. The first significant digit is 9, the second significant digit is 5. So we keep 9 and 5. The partition line goes after the 5. Now look at the next digit. The next digit is 4. 4 is less than 5. So the 5 stays the same. But because this is a whole number, the digits to the right are replaced with zeros. So 95,400 rounded to two significant figures is 95,000. Now round 465 to two significant figures. The first significant digit is 4. The second significant digit is 6. So we keep the 4 and the 6. The partition line goes after the 6. Now look at the next digit. The next digit is 5. 5 is 5 or more. So the 6 goes up by 1. 6 becomes 7. The digit after the partition line is replaced with 0, so 465 rounded to two significant figures is 470. Now round 8,762 to three significant figures. The first significant digit is 8, the second significant digit is 7, the third significant digit is 6. So we keep 8, 7, and 6. The partition line goes after the 6. Now look at the next digit. The next digit is 2. 2 is less than 5, so the 6 stays the same. The digit to the right becomes 0, so 8,762 rounded to three significant figures is 8,760. Now let's use one number and round it in different ways. The number is 14.56. First, round it to decimal places. To one decimal place, we keep one digit after the decimal point. That means we keep the 5. The next digit is 6. 6 is 5 or more, so the 5 goes up to 6. 14.56 rounded to one decimal place is 14.6. To two decimal places, we keep two digits after the decimal point. 14.56 already has two decimal places, so it stays as 14.56. To three decimal places, we need three digits after the decimal point. We only have two, so we add a 0 at the end. 14.56 becomes 14.560. To four decimal places, we need four digits after the decimal point, so we add two zeros. 14.56 becomes 14.5600. Zeros at the end can be used to show the number of decimal places requested. Now round 14.56 to significant figures. Remember, for significant figures, start counting from the first non-zero digit. To one significant figure, the first significant digit is 1. The next digit is 4. 4 is less than 5, so the 1 stays the same. The rest is replaced with zeros where needed. 14.56 rounded to one significant figure is 10. To two significant figures, the first significant digit is 1. The second significant digit is 4. The next digit is 5. 5 is 5 or more, so the 4 goes up to 5. 14.56 rounded to two significant figures is 15. To three significant figures, we keep 1, 4, and 5. The next digit is 6. 6 is 5 or more, so the 5 goes up to 6. 14.56 rounded to three significant figures is 14.6. To four significant figures, we keep 1, 4, 5, and 6. There is no extra digit to change anything, so 14.56 rounded to four significant figures is 14.56. Let's finish with the checklist. Step 1, decide the rounding place. Step 2, draw the partition line. Step 3, look at the next digit on the right. Step 4. If the next digit is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, stay. Step 5. If the next digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, add 1. Step 6. For decimal places, discard the digits to the right. Step 7. For significant figures, replace digits to the right with zeros where needed. That is rounding. Choose the place. Check the next digit. Stay or add 1. Then write the rounded answer clearly.